In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the aspect ratio of videos in Canva. If you've ever needed your video to fit a square post, a widescreen presentation, or a vertical story without stretching or distorting it, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. Start by opening your project in Canva, then navigate to the specific page that contains the video you want to adjust. If your design has multiple pages, make sure you're on the one where the video actually sits, so you're editing the right clip in the right context. Next, double-click directly on the video. This takes you into Canva's cropping and editing view. You'll notice the video is highlighted with a frame and handles, and you'll see options for preset aspect ratios. These presets are there to save you time and keep your framing consistent across platforms. From here, choose the aspect ratio that matches your needs. For example, 1:1 is perfect for square posts, commonly used on many social platforms. The classic 16:9 is great for widescreen video, ideal for presentations and landscape posts. You'll likely see more options as well, which are handy when you're preparing content for different placements. When you select a preset, Canva doesn't stretch your video. It crops the visible area inside that ratio. That means you can drag the video within the frame to keep the most important parts centered and visible. If a preset doesn't give you the exact framing you want, select the freeform option. Freeform lets you manually adjust the frame by dragging the edges or corners so you can fine-tune the composition. This is useful when you want precise control over what stays in the shot, like keeping a subject's face or key text comfortably within the safe area. Take a moment to align the content thoughtfully, leaving a little breathing room around important elements to avoid accidental cutoffs. A quick tip: your changes here are non-destructive. If you don't like how it looks, simply undo and try a different ratio or readjust the framing. Also, cropping affects the visible portion of the video, not the audio, so your sound remains intact. Once you've selected the preset or finished your freeform adjustment and you're happy with the framing, you're done. You've successfully changed the aspect ratio right inside your design, keeping your video clean, professional, and ready for its intended platform.